step back in time to the vibrant streets of 1920s New York City, where glitz and danger intertwine under the neon lights. In this tale of intrigue and heroism, we follow a Terminator on a mission shrouded in secrecy and urgency. Join us as we embark on a journey through the past, where the fate of humanity hangs in the balance and the echoes of history reverberate with every step. In 1923, the tangled streets of New York shimmered under the nightlights. A Terminator, carrying the secrets of time, silently traveled back to 1923. His mission was to change the fate of mankind. As the Terminator traveled through the glamorous but dangerous world of the 1920s, he encountered obstacles to achieve his goal. The first challenge was the presence of Salvatore Capone, one of the most powerful gangsters of the era. Capone had taken over and terrorized New York's underworld. While focusing on his mission in 1923, the Terminator had an unexpected meeting. One night, in a dark alley, he met a brave woman named Sarah. Sarah encouraged the Terminator to stand up to Capone's tyranny and gave him hope. With Sarah's help, the Terminator fought against Capone's forces. Armed with the technology of the future, he neutralized Capone's men and foiled his plans. However, the victory came at a heavy price. The Terminator marked 1923 with his devotion to Sarah and his struggle. In this period that carries the secrets of time, the fate of humanity was once again shaped, and Terminator left an unforgettable mark in 1923. Don't miss this thrilling journey through time. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest adventures.